Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I want to do a live property purchase. I am going to be purchasing house property from the list of all other estates that they have here in estate. So I am going to dive right in and get this done for you guys that are still sitting on the fence. This is the best opportunity for you to come into this platform and begin to earn on a daily basis if you are interested in earning passive income. So this is the property that I want to purchase. Okay, it is called house property, and this one is one of the oceanfront home that they have in estate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a combination of my own money, some part of my money that I've deposited, and some part of my profit from my existing real estate, and very little amount of referral commission. So altogether, I'm going to make up that $480, which is required to purchase this house. So first of all, what I will do is I will go to my agent panel. Okay, and I'm going to send this personal statistics profit balance. So this is my referral commissions. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw that and I'm going to send it to e-wallet. Okay, so I'm going to enter everything there, 21.25, and I'm going to enter my 6 digits withdrawal code. Okay, everybody should have this code with them. Okay, so I'm going to enter it there and I'm going to click withdraw to estate. Okay, so now that has gone to my e-wallet. So I'm going to click done, and then once that is done, I want to go back to my view assets. Okay, so that will be the profit on my real estate that I have purchased. So I'm going to click transfer and I'm going to enter all the money that is there. Okay, and I'm going to enter my 6-digit PIN code again. Now remember, as I said before, this PIN should have been set up when you are registering, if you followed all my video instructions. Otherwise, you can just go to your profile, go to your settings, go to security and set this up. So I'm going to click withdraw and that will be sent to my e-wallet. I'm going to click done, and then I will now go to my e-wallet to make sure that all the money is there by going back to my dashboard, and I will open my e-wallet. So momentarily, all of that money should be here. So I should have just over $480 there, and I will be able to purchase the property. All right. So I'm just going to refresh the screen again. Boom. There you go. So the 485 is there just now. Okay. Now remember, when you have done your transfer from my assets profit, okay, which is the profit you have made from your assets, give it few minutes for that money to get processed into your e-wallet. Okay, before you will be able to proceed with either you are withdrawing the whole thing out of your account or you are using it to purchase your real estate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to dashboard. Okay, and I'm going to select real estate here, and I'm going to select on my left hand side here, I'm going to select house. Okay, so this is the minimum for you to purchase this house property. Okay, so and I am going to be earning over $2 on a daily basis. Okay, so I'm going to click buy property and I'm going to click pay now. If I want to do the auto reinvestment or auto compounding, I will just check that box, okay, to enable auto capitalization. But I don't want to do that because I want to be able to withdraw my profit at any time that I want. Okay, remember, when you check this box, you won't be able to uncheck the box until after 18 months. So if you know that you want to withdraw your profit every day, don't tick that box. Okay, so I'm going to click pay now, and it's going to ask me to sign the contract. Okay, so I'm going to click sign contract, and then here on this part, supposed to sign your name there or your signature. Okay, so I am just going to sign my name, just write my name there. Okay, I'm using my keypad to do this actually, right? So this might not be 100% correct, but that is fine. That's my name. So I'm going to click sign contract, and then it's going to ask me to pay with balance. Okay, now remember, this is very important. After you have done everything, signing the contract and all of that, it's going to ask you to confirm and pay with balance. Okay, this is the last bit for you to get everything done. Okay, so now I am going to click pay with balance, and then it's going to see this message that pops out: success, your tokenized real estate has been purchased. So there you go. That is additional real estate purchased, and I'm happy that I have done this just now. So my portfolio will just increase just now. And if I come down here, you will notice that the house real estate is now there. Okay, and that is my contract that I signed. If I click on it and open it, okay, that is my contract that I have just signed. As you can see, this is the investment contract. Okay, so this you get every single time you purchase a property, every single time you put money into this platform and purchase a real estate, you will get a contract that you have signed and you have a copy of it. Okay, and everything can be traced on the blockchain. In a few minutes, the remaining two icons will pop up and I will be able to track and trace everything on the blockchain. So this to me is the best opportunity that you can ever think of as far as I am concerned, right? So for those of you that are still sitting on the fence, I don't know why you are still sitting on the fence, because in this platform we can easily invest just like the way I have invested 480 on that property. I will also earn on a daily basis, Monday to Friday, and I'll also be able to withdraw my profit. So what else are you looking for? Okay, now before I just round up this video, I just want to let you guys know that you can sign up today and start with as little as $10. You must not have thousands and thousands of dollars before you will start with eEstate. You can start with just $10, and then later on you can add more money and purchase more property if you want. Now, if you don't want to do the $10 one, as I said before, you have the option to choose different real estates, and the profit calculator will definitely tell you how much you are going to be earning, okay, once you select that property. So guys, that's me. Thank you very much. The link to join is below this video description. If you wish to join my team in eEstate, you are more than welcome to sign up with that link below this video description. The instructions have been given to you on how to register, how to complete your KYC, and how to deposit and eventually purchase your real estate, just like what I did now. Okay, after you deposit, you just purchase your real estate. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.